The Ford Maverick may be the compact truck to beat, but buying one now could mean overlooking the most disruptive rival arriving in 2026. Slate Auto is preparing a stripped-down electric pickup with a lower starting price, modular bodywork, DIY customization, and one trick the Maverick cannot match: ignite your engines. You're on the grid with Motor Maven. Of course, Slate is still a startup, and its truck remains unproven until production models hit the road. But if you can wait before signing that Maverick deal, waiting could pay off. Here are 6 reasons the Slate truck deserves your attention first. Number 6. Pickup to SUV. Slate's transformation changes everything. Slate's boldest trick is its ability to transform from a 2-seat pickup into a 5-seat SUV using squareback or fastback conversion kits. The system encloses the bed, adds a second row, and gives owners flexibility as their needs change. In SUV form, cargo capacity reaches about 34 cubic feet behind the seats and 58.4 with them folded, while rear legroom measures roughly 30.8 inches. The Maverick still wins for everyday passenger access with 4 doors and standard 5-seat practicality. Yet Slate offers something Ford cannot: a compact truck whose body configuration can evolve long after purchase without replacing the vehicle. But Slate's flexibility is only half the story. Its entire engineering philosophy challenges how complicated modern pickups have become. Number 5. Radical simplicity. Slate rejects modern truck bloat. Slate's cabin takes a deliberate stand against modern truck bloat. The blank slate uses manual crank windows, physical climate controls, a compact digital driver display, and no traditional infotainment screen. Instead, your smartphone handles navigation, music, and connected features. Unpainted gray composite body panels reduce manufacturing complexity and are designed for easy wrapping rather than conventional paintwork. The Maverick feels more polished and complete from day one, but Slate's simplicity may appeal to buyers tired of financing unwanted gadgets. Fewer powered systems can also mean fewer expensive components. So here's the real question: how much technology does a basic pickup truly need? Of course, stripping equipment away only works if owners can easily put the features they actually want back in. Number 4. 200+ accessories. Slate makes customization surprisingly personal. Minimalism only works if owners can add what they actually want, and Slate leans heavily into that idea with more than 200 planned accessories. Buyers can choose power window modules, audio upgrades, racks, lighting, cargo gear, storage solutions, and cosmetic pieces without climbing a traditional trim ladder. Pre-cut wraps, starting around $500, can also change the truck's appearance while avoiding a repaint. The danger is obvious. Accessories can quickly erase Slate's price advantage over a better-equipped Maverick. Still, disciplined buyers gain unusual control. For DIY enthusiasts, Slate feels less like a finished appliance and more like a customizable automotive ownership platform. Customization gives Slate personality, but the bigger question sits underneath the bodywork. Can its electric powertrain handle everyday truck duty? Number 3. 205-mile range. Can Slate really deliver daily? Customization matters, but Slate ultimately has to prove itself as an electric truck. Its rear-mounted motor produces about 181 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque, with 0 to 60 miles per hour estimated at roughly 8 seconds. A 65 kilowatt-hour gross battery, about 63 kilowatt-hours usable, is projected to deliver around 205 miles of range. Slate also uses the NACS connector and estimates 20 to 80% DC fast charging in about 30 minutes. The Maverick Hybrid still wins for refueling convenience and long-distance flexibility. But for commuters with home charging and predictable mileage, Slate's projected range could make this minimalist EV surprisingly practical for commuting and errands. Range answers the daily driving question, but a pickup still has to earn its keep when cargo starts piling up. Before we venture further, we'd appreciate it if you could hit that like and that subscribe button. This supports us in connecting with more auto aficionados just like you. Now let's change lanes and navigate towards our next reason. Number 2. Small truck, serious utility. Maverick gets challenged. Slate may be compact, but its cargo numbers are genuinely truck-like. The bed measures about 60.5 inches with the tailgate closed and stretches beyond 80 inches when lowered, while total bed volume is roughly 35.1 cubic feet. Up front, a 7 cubic foot frunk adds secure storage for groceries, tools, or valuables. Payload is projected around 1,550 pounds, slightly above the Maverick's commonly quoted 1,500 pound maximum. Towing, however, tops out near 2,000 pounds, while a properly equipped Maverick can reach 4,000. Slate wins on clever packaging, not brute force, making it better suited to light-duty hauling than heavy towing or demanding work. And once the capability numbers are on the table, everything comes down to the figure that could make Maverick shoppers hesitate: price. Number 1, $26,400 price. Slate puts Maverick on notice. Price is where Slate applies the most pressure. The blank slate is listed at $24,950 before destination, or $26,400 after the current $1,450 destination charge. That undercuts the 2026 Maverick while promising about 205 miles of projected range, a 5-foot bed, a 7 cubic foot frunk, roughly 1,550 pounds of payload, and more than 200 accessories. But the Maverick is proven, seats 5 immediately, offers hybrid efficiency, and has an established service network. Slate remains pre-production, and options can shrink its price advantage quickly. The smart move is simple. If you can wait, carefully compare real production trucks first. Verdict: wait for Slate or trust the Maverick. Slate deserves attention because it attacks the compact truck formula from a different angle. Lower pricing, modular bodywork, DIY customization, useful cargo space, and a projected 205-mile electric range. The Maverick, however, remains the safer and more proven choice for buyers who value 5-seat practicality, long-distance convenience, established dealer support, and stronger towing capability. Slate's biggest question is no longer whether the idea is clever, but whether production quality, real-world range, charging performance, and ownership support can match the promise. If you can wait, comparing customer-delivered Slate trucks against the Maverick could be the smartest move. Now we'd like to hear from you. Would you wait for the Slate truck instead of buying a Ford Maverick? And which matters more to you? Lower price and customization, or proven capability and support? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss out on the latest vehicle updates from Motor Maven. If the Slate truck caught your attention, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Tap one of the videos on your screen right now and discover the next vehicle making waves with Motor Maven. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.